Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new here, I'm Maggie, and today I'm going to show you how I make a garlic honey shrimp. This is one of the easiest and the quickest recipes when I'm in a pinch and I need to make dinner quickly. This recipe is what I turn to. You can also make this with chicken, really any protein that you want. You want to say hi? Come over here. They can't see you. Want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Good job. Gabe loves it. We actually ate this for dinner yesterday. He had 4 shrimp, and I just served this with rice. It's easy, it's quick, and it's delicious. So let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel